Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you this nice and beautiful sonic electric toothbrush which comes in this nice portable traveling case which you can put it inside and automatically can charge. Here in back you can charge the case, so it comes with the USB charger. Also this is a glass and you can use it as a glass when you're washing your teeth. This toothbrush, it is made of good quality material which is super durable. Is designed with 4 modes and 3 intensity option. The modes are clean, white, gum care, polish, and also it comes with additional head brushes, 10 of them, so it will last for many time, because one of the brush you can use it 2 up to 3 months, and you will have a lot of them. So I do like the quality, I do like the design, the color is just incredible of this sonic electric toothbrush. So if you're looking for any good quality, nice design toothbrush, so you should definitely get this toothbrush from the Tylola store. Or also that can be a really nice gift for your friends, for your family, and they'll be so happy, and it's suitable for any kind of occasion. Thank you.